want to create your YouTube content faster, better, and with less effort in 2025, then this video is for you. Watch this video from the beginning to the end to learn the 5 tools that I explained in this video that will help you. In this video, I will show you the best AI tools that creators are using to script, edit, optimize, and grow all in record time. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned creator, these tools will save you hours and unlock serious growth in your channel. These tools are not just for hyping. I personally use these tools to plan my videos, write scripts, generate thumbnails, description, tags, hashtags, and even optimize my video for YouTube algorithm. And yes, many of them are free or have free versions. You need to watch this video from the beginning to the end because I have a bonus tip for you, for those that are going to watch even to the end of this video. And trust me, you wouldn't want to miss that particular tip that I want to give you because it's going to be a game changer for you, for your creation journey or your channel. So let's go straight into the video. Number 1 tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is used for video ideas, SEO optimized titles, full script, thumbnail copy, and many others. You can actually use ChatGPT to draft your script from the title to description to tags to thumbnail and everything that you want ChatGPT to do for you. Since I discovered how to use ChatGPT, it has been very easy for me to make videos even without a lot of stress. Like I used to stress myself so much before. I used to brainstorm a lot, thinking of how to get video ideas, thinking of how to get tags, thinking about how the thumbnail is going to be and all. But since I found out about this ChatGPT, it has made the work so easy for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to actually get a full script of your video. So let me just show you.
So the first thing to do is to download ChatGPT, but if you cannot download it or you don't want to download it, then there's no problem. Just go ahead to your Chrome and click on your Chrome. So once you click on your Chrome and it opens, I've already typed this in, that's why it's showing like this. So once it opens, the first thing to do is type ChatGPT and then you search. So once you search, this is what you are going to see. You can see I've already visited this ChatGPT so many times. So he said you visited often this particular one. So I'm going to open. In case your own doesn't show like this, please don't click on anyone that is sponsored. Any ChatGPT that you see that they wrote sponsored on, don't click on it. So I'm going to choose this one now, this first one, and then you can see they said login, sign up for free, stay logged out. So I just chose stay logged out. Now remember that what we want to get is a full script for our video, both the titles, the thumbnails, the tag, the hashtag, and all. So excuse me. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write a script for me. Now let's see. Write a YouTube script that is fully SEO optimized with tags, description, hashtags, and thumbnail. The title of the video should be how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. So this is what I want ChatGPT to do for me. So write a YouTube script that is fully SEO optimized with tags, description, hashtags, and thumbnail. The title of the video should be how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. So let's just search. Within few seconds, you can see that it has already given us what we want. So this is what ChatGPT said, here is a fully SEO optimized YouTube video script, including the title, description, tags, hashtags, and thumbnail suggestion. The content is aimed at helping new creators grow their subscribers count to 1,000 in just 7 days using proven tactics optimized for engagement and visibility. So you can see the YouTube description, YouTube video description, SEO optimized though. So this is the description. Want to know how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days? Whether you're just starting your YouTube channel or stuck at 100 subs, this step-by-step guide will help you grow fast in 2025. You can see that all these things now is the description. So what you will do is just click on this description, then you go ahead to copy this description. So I want to be sure you get the whole thing. So you copy this description and then you go ahead to your YouTube dashboard where the video has already been uploaded. Then you copy this description and put it there. Make sure that you see this subscribe for weekly growth tips, your channel URL. Put your channel URL there. Then free YouTube SEO checklist. If you have any, you put your link there. But if you don't have, you can just delete this particular sentence here. You can just delete it out and then put this description on that description of the video. You can see that this description is fully optimized. So let's just go ahead. Then see the tags. You can just copy these tags and then put it for the tags of your videos. And then this is the hashtag. You can see the hashtag. So this hashtag, you always add this hashtag at the end of your description. This is your description now. You can see that it even gave us YouTube growth, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag 1,000 subscribers in 7 days, hashtag YouTube tips 2025. So this, you can copy this hashtag and also put it in this particular description, but make sure that your hashtag is not more than 15. Like, just make it at least 7 hashtags is fine. Don't make it to be more so that you will not confuse the algorithm. Now once you are done with that, you can see the thumbnail idea. This is the idea that ChatGPT gave you so that you know how your thumbnail should look like. Both tests, 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. I don't want this particular tutorial to be much or to be long. So this is what the thumbnail idea is all about. So once you check it, you see how ChatGPT wants you or is suggesting that you make your thumbnail to look so that it can get more visibility. Now this is the script. You can see that ChatGPT gave you not just the script, but it told you how you can start the intro. You can see the intro. It gave you the intro. It gave you the part 1, what you will say. It gave you part 2. It gave you like part 3. It gave you part 4, part 5, part 6, outro, bonus tip, and everything. So ChatGPT will tell you how you should start the video and how you should end it. So tell me why you haven't started using ChatGPT. Now, if you also have a channel but you don't have an idea of the kind of video that you can post on that you can upload on your channel, this is what you will do. You go to ChatGPT and say, I'm a YouTube content creator with the niche. If your niche is about, let me say your niche is about YouTube growth and monetization, you now type, I'm a YouTube content creator with the niche YouTube growth and monetization. You now ask, please, or you can now let me just say, please, can you give me 10 YouTube video ideas that has high search rate. So you can see, just if you don't have ideas about the video you can post, just tell you ChatGPT that you're a YouTube content creator. I'm a YouTube content creator. I'm a YouTube content creator with the niche YouTube growth and monetization. Please, can you give me 10 YouTube video ideas that has high search rate? If your niche is about food, you can just put that your niche is about food. If whatever your niche is about, just put it there, and then you tell ChatGPT, please, can you give me 10 YouTube video ideas that has high search rate? So let's search and see what it will tell us. Let's just wait for some seconds. So you can see the video idea. You can see how, like, a lot of video ideas, how to use ChatGPT and AI tools to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. Top 5 AI tools for creators. Automate growth and monetization. YouTube Shorts, growth strategy, repurposing long videos to gain subs fast. So you can see a lot of video ideas. So what you can do is, if any of these video ideas is the best that you want, just pick one there and tell ChatGPT to give you a script about it, and then it will provide it for you, and it has solved you the problem of thinking about how to script your video, the titles, the thumbnail, the description, the hashtag. This is how good ChatGPT can be. And if you have watched to this point and this video is giving you value, please like and subscribe.
Tool number 2 is Pictory.Ai. Pictory.Ai is used for turning scripts into videos. Like, what Pictory.Ai will do for you is to turn your script into video. What you have to do is just to get your script, type your script, copy it and paste it, and it's going to turn it into video. Pictory.Ai is used for turning scripts into video, automatic voiceover, and stock footage. Pictory.Ai is the perfect app for those that want to have faceless channels, If you are the type that doesn't like showing your face, or you don't want people to know you, or you don't want people to know that you are the one talking, Pictory.Ai is the perfect answer to what you want. What Pictory.Ai is going to do is to turn your script into video. And the good thing is, it doesn't require your face. Pictory.Ai, I would say, is the best for faceless channels. So if you are a faceless channel creator, make sure to check out this app. It's going to help you a whole lot. It's going to turn your script into video even without showing your face. What it's going to do actually is going to create an AI face for your video. Tool number 3 is Opus Clip. OPUSCLIP. Opus Clip. Opus Clip is used for repurposing long form video into viral shorts. Tool number 4 is VidIQ AI Coach. VidIQ is used for keyword search, title scoring, video SEO, and trend alerts. Tool number 5 is Canva, or you can say Canva Magic Studio. Canva Magic Studio is used for thumbnail design.
So you can use Canva to create your thumbnails. You can already see the thumbnails that I use Canva for. So if you want to use Canva, the first thing you have to do is to click on this plus sign, and then you choose what you want to do with Canva. So I'm going to choose, you can type here, just say YouTube thumbnail. So it will give you a lot of pictures that you can use. You just have to do a little twist on it to be able to use. Just check the one that is best for you, and then do a little twist on it for your own. Okay, for instance, I want to do something about vlog. Make sure to choose the one that doesn't have any pro. So I'm going to choose this one. So once it loads, you can just click on this particular picture, and then you remove it and add whatever you want to add on it. For instance, I want to add this picture. Then this second one, I'll remove it and add this picture, then this third one I'll remove it and add this one, then done. You can see that I've done something about it. So I've totally changed everything. So you can use this Canva to create stunning thumbnails that will make people click on your thumbnail. And once you are done with that, you save it and then your thumbnail is ready.
Like I promised you in the beginning of the video that if you watch until the end of the video, that I'm going to give you a bonus tool, and this bonus tool is this script. This is something that a lot of people, a lot of creators do not know about. What does this script do for you? This script is used for audio editing, AI voice cloning, and podcast type videos. Trust me when I say this script is the next level for voice and video editing. This script can clone your voice with crazy accuracy. When someone hears your voice and hear that of this script, the one that this script cloned, it will be very very hard for the person to know the difference, because the accuracy is so crazy, like it's top notch. So this script is one app that will make your voice editing and video editing, wow, it will take you to the next level. So you can actually check into this app and see how good this app can be to you and to your channel. This app is amazing for podcast editors or solo creators. These AI tools are changing the game in 2025 and they are only getting better. So if you want to upgrade in your creation journey, make sure to use these apps. Make sure to check out these apps and see the one that is best for you. Which one are you most excited to try? Put it on the comment section so that I'll hear your feedback. And when you try it, come back to the comment section. I'll also put a comment and tell me your experience with the app that you downloaded. You can actually download this app from Play Store or from Apple Store. So whenever you download it and use it, make sure to come back to the comment section and tell me about your experience. I would love to hear your experience. And if you need any guideline whatsoever, you can also drop it on the comment section and I will do well to help you out. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to hit the like button. like So do well to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You know that I'm rooting for you and I always love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.